Hello, my research presentation and public speaking topic is Six Sigma in Mumbai's Dabbawalas. First of all, what is Six Sigma? Many of us has the question of what is Six Sigma. It is a good topic to be discussed upon. Is it the number 6 and sigma summation sign used in mathematics? No, that is not. Six Sigma is a certificate of improvement which actually rates or marks the process of improvement from the errors of an organization. It checks the company production process and management function. Basically, the errors in production or in management process are tested upon. The common example of Six Sigma certificate winner is Motorola. Jack Welch made error-free zone in his industry and made the central focus of his business strategy. The rewards of Six Sigma. The moral of production cycle increased by this reward. Shareholders have utmost faith in the company. The company transforms into an integral part and improvises its organizational morale. The company or organization is recognized by public from the renowned owner. The defects are minimized to the lowest level possible by the company. Mumbai's Dabbawalas. Mumbai, the city of dreams. It is one of the most densely populated city in India. The residents need to travel 50 kilometers away from their residence every day to earn bread and butter. The city is also known for its maximum traffic intensity. The following pictures show the traffic intensity and the busy life of Mumbai city. Northern Mumbai Tiffin Box Association, also known as NMTBSA. The association started in year 1880. The average literacy rate of every worker working is 8th grade. Daily area covered by each Dabbawala is 60 kilometers. About 2 lakhs tiffin boxes are delivered every day, which means 4 lakh transactions in just 3 hours. The X factor of Dabbawala Association is that they use 0% fuel, no investment, no modern technology, no disputes, only manpower, and 99.999% errorless work. Dabbawalas believe in 100% customer satisfaction. The following is the journey of a Dabbawala. First of all, the Dabbawala picks up the dabba from residents and he travels with the tiffins in local trains of Mumbai. There he unloads the dabba and sorts out the tiffins of particular station on the station itself. Then he delivers the dabba to the respective customer. He again collects the dabba from customer, travels in local train again, sorts out the tiffin and delivers the dabba again to the residents. This is the coding system of a dabba. VLP is the code of Ville Parle station. 9EX12 is the code for Dabbawala to deliver. EX shows the building name, 12 shows the floor, and E is the code for residence of the customer. The following is the video on Mumbai's Dabbawalas.
If you visit Mumbai, you are bound to notice the Dabbawalas. You may not realize this, but the Dabbawalas are a very important part of life in Mumbai. They are the ones who make sure that nearly 200,000 people get their lunch in time at their offices or schools every day from home. Their operations are so efficient that world personalities like Prince Charles and Richard Branson have visited them. They have been invited for lectures at business schools. They are even said to be Six Sigma compliant. Now, what is a dabba? A dabba is simply a tiffin box carrying home cooked food, which is to be delivered from the home to a person in an office or a school. And the dabbawala is a person who picks up the food from the home and ensures that it is delivered to the right office to the right person on time.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम रघुनाथ धोंडेवा मेदगे हूँ। मैं डब्बावाला एसोसिएशन का प्रेसिडेंट हूँ। हमारी डब्बा का सर्विस 18 से 90 से शुरू है। हमारे टोटल 5000 मेंबर्स बम्बई में कार्यरत है।
It all may sound fairly simple, but imagine doing this in one of the most densely populated cities in the world. The dabbawalas have high rates of accuracy and their error rates are shockingly 1 in a million only. And what is even more impressive, that all the dabbawalas are fairly illiterate and have no use of any technology. The only motorized transport used is the Mumbai local trains. Other than that, they make use of hand-drawn carts and bicycles.
मेरी ग्रुप की साइकिल है, अंधेरी स्टेशन में छोड़ के जाता हूँ, तो मैं दूसरे ग्रुप की साइकिल डिलीवरी पॉइंट पे यूज़ करता हूँ और मेरी साइकिल वो लोग यूज़ करते हैं.
The dabbas or the lunch boxes have a color coding scheme which makes sure that they get to the right destination. The structure of this organization is fairly flat. It has just 3 levels. First, the governing body. Second, the team leads or the supervisors. And third, the dabbawalas. And everyone is an equal shareholder in this organization. There are no bosses and the earnings are equally divided.
हर एक बंदा का काम टीम के लिए करना है. अगर एक बंदा कम काम करेगा तो पूरी टीम की इनकम सोर्स लो हो जाती है.
All the dabbawalas come from the same Warkari sect, and whenever any replacement is required, villages that have this Warkari sect are approached for suitable candidates. To join this organization as a dabbawala, the dabbawalas have to bring a few things: a long wooden crate, 2 bicycles, and ₹20 for a Gandhi cap that they wear. And how much do you think would it cost to avail of this very efficient dabba service? Less than $10 a month. While the operations are fairly simple, the dabbawalas are now beginning to work with newer technologies. You can SMS them or you can also log on to their site mydabbawala.com to avail of their services.
अभी लंदन में भी प्रिंस चार्ल्स की शादी में जाकर आया हूँ. इटली में 2 बार जाने का मौका हमें मिला है. बहुत मैगजीन ने भी हमारी रिसर्च की थी, बीबीसी ने भी डॉक्यूमेंट्री वहाँ बना के दी थी. हमारे ऊपर देखते हैं कि इनको क्यों ना 6 सिग्मा देना चाहिए. हमें तो पता ही नहीं 6 सिग्मा क्या है.
And given their reach in Mumbai, Microsoft has also partnered with the dabbawalas. The dabbawalas distributed leaflets and wore Microsoft branded clothes to spread awareness of genuine Windows softwares to their customers.
5000 बम्बई के डब्बे वाले 4 लाख टिफिन का ट्रांजैक्शन पर डे लोकल ट्रेन से, साइकिल से और मैन पावर की वजह से कर रहे हैं.
I'm Premjit Singh, showing you Mumbai.
Some Q factors about Dabbawala. The error rate in the transaction is 1 in 6 billions. They got Six Sigma performance of 99.999%. The cost of such accurate services is approximately 200 rupees. They charge standard price for all their customers despite different space, size and distance. They have a turnover of around 30 carriers annually. The earning of each Dabbawala at the end of the month is 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. There is no news of strike till now, as the Dabbawalas are shareholders of the association. They treat customers as God and believe in 100% customer satisfaction. Six Sigma certificate awarded by Forbes Group. Dabbawalas were awarded with Six Sigma certificate and they were least interested about its importance as per their literacy. Dabbawalas also got 9000-2001 certificate for excellence in service. Six Sigma gave the rating of 99.999% efficient work. The illiterate Dabbawala stands with multinational companies such as Motorola and General Electrics. As I said earlier, they have the record of one error in 6 billion transactions. There are documentaries made by CNN, BBC and Sahara TV on Dabbawalas, case studies made by School of Business Canada, and invitations by CCI Conference at Bangalore and CCI Delhi. A Dabbawala addressing audience at TEDx. The achievements of Dabbawalas are following. They have named in Guinness Book of World Records with Best Time Management. They were also invited in marriage of Honorable Prince Charles of England. There are documentaries made as the unique lunch service. The following picture shows the letter wrote by Prince Charles for Dabbawalas in condolence of the flood in Mumbai. Thank you.